Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing a clean with me all day cleaning, and it's just because tomorrow I'm going to go ahead and deep clean some things. So I wanted to get the house straightened out before I did that, so I can wake up to a nice fresh home and not have to worry about cleaning up the everyday things, so that way I can focus on the things that need to be cleaned that I don't clean all the time. So anyway, I hope y'all enjoy. I hope it gets you motivated. A little about me: I'm a mom, I'm 35, I have 4 kids and a husband that I adore. So anyway, I'm gonna hop into this and get started on the kitchen.
Tuesday morning, she puts her feet on running mode and she goes like the wind. She goes like the wind. A sip of coffee, back to business. Behind the scene, I'm a witness of all she can be, of all she can be. She sent her photo to an agent, a skinny middle, rare occasion, a chance to be great, a fortune to make. A lovely lady luck will follow where she goes, and she's a very special someone we should know. Tonight the future's on the way to land before her feet. A random joke, a kiss, a lucky tweet. She's no keeper, born a fate shaper. Karma glow, karma glow. In her vision, superstition. Karma glow, karma glow. And lovely lady luck will follow where she goes, and she's a very special.
I'm just using Barkeeper's Friend for my sink. It's one of my favorite cleaners now. I use it on everything. I use it in my bathtub, in my sinks. So anyway, I'm just going to use some of that to clean my sink, and then I go ahead and finish it off with glass cleaner. But the Barkeeper's Friend just works so well for me. I love it. I don't say that a lot about a lot of products, but I really like Barkeeper's Friend. It's one of the best.
And she's a very special someone we should know. Tonight the future's on the way to land before her feet. A random joke, a kiss, a lucky tweet. She's no keeper, born a fate shaper.
my coffee bar. It's kind of hidden. It's actually in my pantry slash coffee bar slash laundry room. So it's like 3 rooms all in one, and it's also storage. So anyway, I'm just straightening up in here. This is kind of like my show pantry. I don't keep any like packaged food in here or anything. I just like it for show. And so anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and start on the floors.
Sipping on my coffee, trying to remember what went wrong. Nothing's gonna bring me down. You don't have to stick around. We're tangled as we touch the ground. This is how it ought to be. We are racing endlessly to another stunning view. What else could we turn into in time?
I've just been using a little bit of water and my microfiber cloth mop. It works really well. I don't like to use a lot of cleaners on my floor because it leaves a residue over and it just seems like the floor gets dirtier with cleaners. So I'd rather just use a little bit of water and this mop, and it's been working really well for me.
Oh, nothing's gonna bring me down. You don't have to stick around. We're tangled as we touch the ground.
And we really don't hang out too much in the living room, so I'm just gonna mop it up real quick. It's, you know, it's not a room that we use very often. We don't have a TV in here or anything. If we do hang out in here, it's just when family's visiting. So anyway, I'm just gonna mop it real quick and make it look nice.
It's easy to speak out about the way I live, but it's a 24-karat dream. No supermodel in my dirty jeans, but in my 24 inches heels. I'm not pretending, I'm born like this, a game for the reckless.
And now we're in my master bathroom, and it's one of my favorite rooms in the house. And I'm just going to tidy it up in here a little bit because, like I said, tomorrow I'm going to be doing the deep clean. I'm using some Method Anti-Bac, the spearmint scent, and it's one of the best scents ever. But I don't really like the toilet cleaner because it didn't really have as strong a scent as the multi-surface cleaner. So anyway, but you win some, you lose some. I'm just going to wipe this stuff down real quick and then head to my bedroom.
It's trouble in your mind, how I spend my time, but it's a 24-hour streak. Wasting all your thoughts just to criticize, but there are plenty more ways to think. I'm not pretending, I'm more like this, a game for the reckless. It's so extreme and I don't really care.
And my bedroom's just kind of there. I haven't really decorated it yet. I've moved some stuff around. I've played with some stuff. This really isn't my style. I mean, it's my style, but I'd rather have some really royal blues or, you know, the peacock colors, like the dark bold colors with pops of white, maybe a white comforter with, you know, a royal blue wall back there. I don't know, with some ghost shelves. I just have a lot of hopes and dreams for my bedroom because I think that having a relaxing, calming bedroom and a calming bathroom is so important. Like, that's where you go to relax and chill out, and I think it should be beautiful and it should be just the way that you want it. It's not just another room in the house. I think it should be like your sanctuary, like where you can gather all your thoughts, be alone, and, you know, be in a calm space. So I really want to redo this room, but I don't know when that's going to happen. It's not really in the budget right now, but eventually I will, and I can't wait for that.
Mad woman, mad woman. keep calling me a man, woman. Boy, you tell me your business if I'm a man,
And now we're just in my son's room. I'm going to tidy up in here for him because he hasn't been feeling well lately. So anyway, I'm just going to get his room straightened up. Bug. And do that for him. He usually cleans it himself, but today I'm just going to do it for him. And now we're gonna head into my daughter's room, and she's gonna do the voiceover, and she's gonna do her room herself because that was requested. So here she is. This is Jazz.
Hey guys, it's Jazz, and I'm gonna be cleaning up my LOL dolls, putting them back in their place. Okay, now I'm just gonna be putting away my school stuff, and I'm not gonna be using this big book since I already read it.
So that's going to be about it for today, guys. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope it got you motivated. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe and hit the bell so you can get notified every time we put up a video like this. We will talk to y'all next time. Bye, guys.